Alright guys, so if you hear a sound, my son is in the background watching his show. We're in the room and this is what we'll be creating today. Ooh, look at that girl. I'm so proud of myself. Only thing I'm not proud of is those baby hairs. But I'm going to start out using my stocking cap, and I've actually gone back to the light stocking cap. We'll see how it goes. Then this is what I used to add the hair I use pump it up. It is not as excuse me, bold holding, or got to be gluey, but it gets the job done for these tutorials. And this is what I actually wear when I'm going on the road. Stay hydrated. Stay hydrated. So now I'm actually going to be cutting off the cap, and I'm going to be this is one step I underestimated, and it's the foundation on the cap. The foundation on these light caps are extremely important. So now I understand why they use the brown cap, but the brown cap I have is a dark brown cap, which I don't think is necessary. But I'm going to use my dark brown cap for this wig and see how it goes. So the hair is from Klaiyi Hair. They're my boots. This is their Malaysian straight. And I'm actually putting the foundation on the perimeter of the wig as well, on the frontal, the perimeter of the frontal as well, so that it can blend. So I'm going to catch it on, and then as usual, not as usual, as I told you guys earlier on, I'm going to be using the the pump it up. That's what I'm going to use to adhere it. As you can see, it's pulling up right there, so on the side. That's because it didn't allow the pump it up to dry long enough, because I was just doing it for this tutorial. I didn't want to sit down and wait any longer. So this is what I'm going to use to adhere the wig. And then after that, then I'm going to, see, I can see a line, and I don't like that. Whenever I make straight wigs, that line drives me crazy. So now I'm actually going to go use my Eco Styler gel. See how it looks better here? I don't know, maybe I just need to cut those hairs and like comb them down so that it works better. I don't know. But anyway, so this is what, it's okay. Just put it back in the bag, Zamar. So now this is what I'll be doing, and yeah. Alright, you guys. So this is the wig that I made with my frontal, and it's from Klaiyi Hair. This is their, I want to say Malaysian straight. Yes, it's their Malaysian straight. And I did baby hairs for the first time in this video. I had to go to the bathroom. I'm like, alright girl, don't cut too much. I just poured out a little bit of thin strip, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just part a little bit, and then I just kind of, swoop it. I mean, it's not baby hair, but it's helping to conceal my frontal situation. So I have resolved that the pump it up is not really conducive to straight frontals, maybe to the curly ones, but not to the straight ones. So I'm actually going to see if I can use the next time I put this wig on, I'm actually going to be using my Got To Be. Right, I'm actually going to use my Got To Be glue for my next hair, because I don't think it looks as natural when I use the pump it up. But this is the hair. It is I'm going to have the correct inches because I threw the bus. I don't know why, because I made this wig 2 days ago and I was cleaning up, and then I cleaned it up. But it is 14 inches. Yes, 2 14 inches and 2 12 inch. So 2 14 inches bundle, 1 12 inch bundle, and a 12 inch frontal. So this is what we're looking like. I mean, you can see it, like. So I have worked with Klaiyi Hair before. I am never disappointed in their hair, ever, and I never ever disappointed in their hair. I have some really good hair. The manageability is really good. I've been working with the hair though, making wigs for years, so that may be a contributor to me not really finding any fault with them or in them. Aw, look at me doing baby hairs. This is my first time doing baby hairs. I think it looks really crappy. It doesn't look as smooth as the other baby hairs, but I'm getting there. The reason why I've never done baby hairs is because I don't know how. So I've just been avoiding it and just trying to, like, yo, you better plug this thing to the gods, honey, because you do not know how to do baby hairs. But anyway, so this is what the hair is looking like, Malaysian straight, and it is just beautiful. I've gone this length, like, who is she though? This length 14 inches. You guys know I love long hair, but I think I had said it last year or the beginning of this year that I'll be doing a bit shorter hair, shorter lengths. So yeah, right. So all in all, I love how this turned out. Please let me know what you guys think about this wig in general and also the baby hairs. Let me know what you think, because I know you guys are completely honest with me. I am just... Oh, and I colored it. I colored one of the bundles. I like it. I like it. And I feel like I'm wasting your time. Alright, so I will be coming back with you guys. I like how this looks going over like this. But I feel like it makes my... Should I make this flat? No, bring this up some more. Okay. Sorry. Right, so I will be coming back with you, coming back again with this wig. I want to do a get ready with me. I already showed you guys how I installed it, so I just be doing a makeup tutorial wearing the wig. I can probably style it because I have my flat iron, like the rolled flat iron that can actually curl, and I actually put some waves in it. I was like, girl, like, who is you? You are doing okay. But anyway, yeah, so this is the video. Klaiyi Hair, Malaysian straight, 2 14 inches, 1 12-inch bundle and a 12-inch frontal. Colored it with basic white and 40 volume developer. I didn't have it sit on it too long. I took it off not really fast, but I just didn't want it to go blonde. Plus I don't have anything to treat the hair after I've colored it, so I need to go out and get some neutralizing shampoo, color protector, and silicone mix. Yeah, silicone mix really helps when you color your hair. So this is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and Klaiyi Hair, thank you so much for sending me this review, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Oh, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to thumbs up, and also leave a comment. I will be responding to comments, not all of them, but I will be responding to comments. Just your support really helps my channel, and sharing my channel as well, getting subscribers as well. You know, that's a goal, man. That's a goal. And my teeth look hella white in this video. They look really white. Anyway, so I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.